Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2021 GMC Yukon SLE, featured in Summit White with a jet black interior. Under the hood is a 5.3-liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include power parking brake, 3 rows of seating, Android Auto, Bluetooth. Some safety features include forward collision alert, parking sensors, backup camera, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Moving on to the interior, we have a chrome door handle with a wood accent. We have our powered lock and unlock. We have our powered windows and our power mirrors. Just below that, there's a storage compartment, and there is a second one, as well as a cup holder. To the left of the front seat here, we have our powered seating and our power lumbar. Here are the seats. We can step inside now. Just to the left here, we have our power parking brake, our traction control, and our parking sensors. We can start up the vehicle now. Here is our cluster with our cluster controls as well as our Bluetooth options. And there's our forward collision alert. We can take a look at the infotainment screen here. We have our radio and our Bluetooth phone connection, and we also have our Android Auto. We can check out the navigation. Just below that is our main vents for the front, as well as our vents on the side. And just below that is the controls for the infotainment screen, and then below that is our dual zone climate control. And we can take a look below that here to reveal the 2 charging ports as well as a 12 volt. And then here we have 2 cup holders. There's the center console with 2 cup holders in the back. Open that up to reveal 2 more charging ports and plenty of storage. There is the other side of the vehicle. We can check out our rear view mirror. And we can also take a look here at our rear view camera. Moving to the top here, we have our OnStar and SOS, as well as 2 dome lights. Moving on to the exterior, here are our wheels with GMC center caps. We have some GMC badging on the side, as well as Yukon badging. We have our color matched mirror caps, as well as our color matched door handles with keyless entry. There is privacy tint on the rear. Making our way to the back here, we can open up the back. And here we have a 60/40 seat split. Some storage just below that. We can lower the seats, but pull in that, and they drop all the way down for both sides, giving us a lot more storage back there. We also have a 3-prong plug-in and a dome light at the top. Very spacious back here, tons of storage. And to the rear interior, we have chrome door handles with our wood accent, power lock and unlock, as well as our powered windows. Just below that, there's a storage compartment, and then a second one. Here's our main rear speaker. Before we step in, we can go ahead and pull this up to reveal some of the storage. Both seats go down, as well as those, to fit a ton of stuff back here. To lift it back up, we just lift, and it goes right back into place. You can step in the vehicle now. We have magazine holders on both sides, as well as our vents up top, and a dome light. We have 2 cup holders, and there is our rear climate control, as well as 2 plug-ins here. We can pull this guy down in the middle here, 2 cup holders and an armrest. Tons of seating back here. We can look into the back, revealing 3 more seats. So a total of 6 passengers in the back and 2 up front. Tons of space, very spacious. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick review of the 2021 GMC Yukon SLE. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.